I'm just oh my god. Not moving. Oh yeah. All right. Hey, Marcus. Hey guys, you won't believe it. I'm currently in Mount Cook, and Mount Cook village is at about 750 meters elevation, and yet Mother Nature has given us a huge dumping of snow. Look outside. Oh my goodness. And so I was thinking about it all morning, whether I could grab my skis out and go out for a ride. There is enough snow to do it. I was just finding the right spot. I think I have it.
Are you stuck?
But at the moment, my car is just covered with snow. I'll show you in a bit. I'm so excited. Oh my god, Mother Nature decided ski season is not over yet. I'm gonna pop my gloves on. I never thought I'd put these on again. Let's go. The entranceway to my house is just covered as well. Oh my god. Just gonna hug along the side of this. Oh. You see that? That's my car. Oh my god, look at how deep it is.
What are you doing, bro? Wow! Really?
Really?
Where? On the way?
You know the path to the hotel from here? It's just completely covered in snow now.
Oh,
So I think I'll just go.
you will try.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, good luck.
I got it out, guys. Okay. Oh my god. So usually this is the path I take to work, but it's now covered in snow, so I'm thinking this is where we'll ski. Oh, it's a workout in itself to get through this. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. I'm just oh my god. Okay. One. I don't know if I'll be able to put it on or not. And two. Okay, let's see how this goes. I don't know once I put my weight on it. It's clipped in. No. I gotta just sit here for a minute. Hey!
Hey, bro, how are you?
Oh my god, bro.
Are you stuck?
Yes.
No?
Yeah, it's hard work, man.
Yeah.
I had to climb up with these, and I'm trying to put it on. Oh, finally.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, finally I'm clipped in. Oh, it's just powdery. It's too much traction. I can't go anywhere. Not moving. Oh, we're moving a little bit.
Epic fail.
Maybe I'll just try skiing on the road. The road is shut to whee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like I just skied on the road. Okay. A little bit of gradient. And a little bit of pushing. Ready. Whee. Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that snow. Starts here. And I climb up this little hill. It's here to get some height. And once I'm here, I just let it slide. And it slides a little bit. And once I get here, this is the fun bit. Whee! And now on a ski in ski out house. Yep, my house is now ski in ski out. For my car. Look, I just cleared the snow and already there's a good centimeter. Nah, look at that.
Chasing sunsets in the sky.
My shoes out.
Oh, let these moments pass us by. Take my hand, don't be afraid. We'd rather live on their way.
Yo, man. So that was a good bit of fun. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this day. I'm just gonna enjoy and warm up with some hot chocolate now. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!